2020 has been a year of DJI rumour after rumour. Everything from fan art of the Mavic 3 being presented as a possible release, to some seemingly fantasy shots of a new DJI Phantom 5. However, with an FCC filing now surfaced, is the Mavic Mini 2 upon us? Hey everyone and welcome to Geeksvana. On this channel you will find a mixture of drone and tech related content, including the latest drone news like this. For more, hit the subscribe button. In today's video we're going to take a look at what appears to be more concrete proof that a DJI release is coming. What is that release? Not the Mavic 3 nor the Phantom 5, but it appears the DJI Mavic Mini 2 is closer than many, including myself, believed. The first Mavic Mini has proved to be a hugely popular drone, with many beginners taking up the hobby with the lightweight drone which skirted under many countries' registration limits. The fun foldable drone allowed for flight in just seconds and has won a place in many droners' hearts. Let's take a look at the evidence available. Just quickly, I'd like to give a mention to Hayu Castellu of Drone XL for breaking this part of the story earlier this evening. As has become the way these days, it seems our first confirmations of many tech releases come through someone finding an FCC filing. This has to happen before a product is released and shows the product conforms to the standards required for sale within the US. Now, the information you gain within these reports is often limited, as the FCC grants a period of time to allow the manufacturer to present their new product without the risk of exposing their shiny new device to competitors or the public prematurely. One part of the filing which often brings the most information is the location of the FCC label and of course the label itself. As you can see from this direct download from the FCC filing, we have a label placed on the back of the door of what many people recognise as a DJI Mavic Mini turned upside down. Previous FCC findings, such as the Mavic Air 2, actually had the full model name on the label. This time, however, we only get the details DJI camera drone. Comparing the drawn label location and the label itself with the existing Mavic Mini suggests that if this is the Mavic Mini 2, we're looking at an identical form factor. Perhaps this might point towards the improvements being camera related. Could that mean a full 4K camera rather than the existing 2.7K? Who knows? As you might expect, there are no technical specs confirmed within the filing. The battery specs themselves even look very similar on the label. With the new wave of drone users taking to the DJI Mavic Mini, I'm wondering if we're now going to start seeing the start of the drone version of the iPhone iteration development. Perhaps the Mavic Mini 2 will be more an improvement on the existing drone rather than a generational jump. Certainly, the information that is to hand so far suggests the former. What are your thoughts? If this is the DJI Mavic Mini 2, what specs are you looking for? What would it take for you to update from the existing model? Let me know in the comments below. I enjoy reading and answering them all and cannot wait to hear what you think of this potential release. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Please remember to like and subscribe.
All right, you're still here. No in the seat.